In this video, I will show you how you can download and install real quick, easy, and free a free alternative to PowerPoint, so Microsoft PowerPoint, which is called LibreOffice Impress. So let's start from the beginning. You can just look for LibreOffice Impress on Google, Libre. Okay, and you can just click here on the first result. So you need to download the package. Also, you can donate if you want to this LibreOffice Foundation because it's giving open source and free software. So it could be to support them. It's good. And let's go to the download and click on download LibreOffice right here. So you cannot download the single software. You need to download all the package and then you can use all the different software. So select your operating system, Linux or Mac or Windows, and then click download. Now all you need to do is to again click on this link and it's gonna open up a download file. So I will download it in my download. Well, you can see here I've already downloaded. So all I need to do is to double click and run the installation. So go to your folder, download folder, and double click on the file. And in my case, I've also saved this in another folder. So double click and follow all the instructions. Now, of course, it's not letting me install because I already installed it, but it's so easy. You just click next, 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 and then it's gonna also ask you if you want to install it in a particular folder, but you can just keep going forward and install it in the standard folder. So it's really quick and easy. And now to open up this one here real quick, just type here in the search, Google search, Windows search, LibreOffice, click there and open up Impress. So you're gonna see here when you search for Libre that is gonna open also the others, like Writer is the alternative of Word and Calc is the alternative of Excel, and this is the alternative of PowerPoint. So basically you can use PowerPoint to create presentation, to create slides. If you want to, like, for example, explain your project, you can use not only words, but also images and infographics, pictures. You can see here you have a lot of graphics that you can do. And this is all within the Impress capability. You have a lot of vector graphic tools here that you can use, and so you can create your presentation real quick, real easy, and of course free. And it's really similar to PowerPoint. So this will be all for this video guide. Please leave your comments if you have like questions, but also suggestions to other users. And also please support us by subscribing to the channel. If you want to support us more, you can join. And this will be all for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video guide.